Guten Tag und willkommen in der deutsche Küche. If du willst the Hamburger machen, this is how you do it. Zurst, hol the Hamburgerfleisch. Where you find it doesn't matter. I wrestled this one from the bloodthirsty grasp of a raccoon, and now it's going in my belly. Mmm. Zwitter, roast the Hamburger Brötchen. What kind of savage uses raw buns? Probably French people. Controlier das der Hamburgerfleisch gekocht ist. Like this? Nein! Like this? Yes! Oh, sorry. Yeah! Now, bereite the ketchup sauce. Some people put ketchup on a burger. Some people use barbecue sauce. Some use mustard. Real men use all three. Huh. Put them in a bowl. Mix it up. Fünf whole Kopfsalat. Robbing neighbors is discouraged, but still allowed. Whole Zwiebel. Real Germans can use these without making jokes about crying. Schneid the Zwiebel auf. I hope you don't plan on putting the whole thing on there. Bereite the mayonnaise Aufstrich. How many spices do you see before you? Answer! Not enough! That's better. We got basil, peppers, smoked garlic, chipotle, Balti powder, bear. These aren't even real words, are they? What are you people having me read? Put them in a bowl und vermischen. Yeah! Now that we got our Zutaten, we gotta strike the Soßen off the Hamburger Brötchen. Ketchup on the top, mayo on the bottom, just as the god of hamburgers intended. Now you bow the hamburger eye. Ein, zwei, drei. Now you just put on the top and... I'm so sorry. It was too delicious. If you want to see what the final product looks like yourself, I guess you'll have to try making it.